2, 1. Eagle Pride B, immediately grabbing a ton of green cubes. Big Banana, getting some cubes into their system. Eagle Pride B, getting a ton of green cubes into that goal really quickly. Looking to grab some more cubes over here. They're in the system. 35 seconds, you can now switch drivers. Eagle Pride B with tons of green cubes into their feed. So you get to 25 seconds, you can also switch drivers. Eagle Pride B looking to dispense a ton of green cubes into that goal. All red cubes have been knocked off their respective posts. Eagle Pride B starts dispensing a ton of cubes into the goal. So in the last 10 seconds, we'll see if Big Banana can score these portals to the goal team. Just barely missing. Alright, qualification match 38. You have 5-3-1-3W Shark Week and 4